Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? Well, we are at home. It is Memorial Day. And Becky and the girls got me a early Father's Day present so we could cook out on Memorial Day. And what they gave me is awesome. Let me show you here. I got a brand new Blackstone Griddle, and I am so excited about this thing.
He's in love with it.
Really am. I am in love with this thing. So let me show you some of the things, and Becky's going to season it because we have to season this thing before we cook on it. So actually she's going to season it right now. What are you seasoning it with, Beck?
Oh,
She just dropped it on the driveway.
Crisco. I'm seasoning it with Crisco.
Okay, so seasoning
Vegetable.
just vegetable seasoning or shortening.
Yeah.
All right, and you can grab one of those spatulas down there if you'd
Nope,
like.
you got to do it
Oh,
this
we
way.
got to do it this way. That's right.
And you got to get it all the way around, even on the sides. Ooh, this is hot.
It is hot, and this will get very smoky.
Yeah.
But the directions told us it would be, so we're not nervous.
Nope.
We're not scared.
We're not scared. A little bit scared.
Yeah. Very, very, very easy assembly. I will tell you that. Most of it kind of came already pre-assembled. The legs just kind of fold down. All we really had to do was add the wheels, the bottom panel, and the side panel. And then this handy dandy feature over here is a garbage bag holder. Isn't that handy? Slips over and around the corners. Maybe it needs we need bigger garbage bags.
No.
And then we bought all these little extras. I'll show you pictures of everything that we got, because there's even under the cover here. I got the press and all the scrapers and the cleaners and the spatulas and the liquid squirters. We had to get our own propane tank, and it came with a cutting board as well. So that's kind of nice, huh? All right.
I think I'm going to use avocado oil for the next season.
For the next seasoning?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And then the only thing it did not come with, not included, it did not come with a cover. So we had to buy a cover or a battery. You need to put a AA battery inside the igniter. You just unscrew it, throw it in there, and she clicked right away. All right, so we'll turn this back on a second seasoning. So, in our things, what we got? We got water in that one.
Yeah.
And then we got the avocado oil in that one.
Yeah.
So we'll
avocado oil has a high smoke point.
high smoke point. That's awesome. All right. And like I said, we bought a cover for it. So this has to be covered after every use. You let it cool down and then you cover it right up.
You clean it, then you let it cool.
Yeah, you clean it, let it cool, put the cover on. To show you this too, on the back side, it's got a little grease catcher.
When you're cleaning it, you scrape
it all in there. And then we got some extra little grease drip pans as well. It is Memorial Day, and this is my 7th scam likely call. Bastards. Thank goodness they called, because I didn't realize my car warranty is almost about to expire, and they wanted to. Fifi! How's my baby? Look who came to visit, because she said, "Oh, you guys are using the new grill tonight? I'll be there."
That's right out.
What's up, Kev? Kevin has hurt himself somehow. We don't know how. He has hurt his back paw, and he's been limping around on it and doesn't put a lot of weight on it. So we're keeping an eye on him, and if it gets any worse, we'll take him to the vet. So what we wound up doing is seasoning it a total of 5 times. They even told us to do the outside of the griddle as well as the insides and the top, around. So, but it wound up being a total of 5 times to do it. So we let it cool. We turned it off, let it cool. Now I've turned it back on, and we are just about ready to cook. So can't wait to try this, and we'll just kind of show you what we're doing as we go along. Oh, look at all this yummy goodness. All these potatoes and onions. And we're going to put the potatoes and onions on the griddle and cook some up and get it going pretty good before we put the beef on. And I'm going to make smash burgers tonight, some cheeseburgers, and with the potatoes and onions. All right, we're going to put some butter down. Oh yeah, that's right. Let's get a couple pieces of butter going here. Woo. All right, nice and bubbly. Come on now. All right, we are going to throw the potatoes and onions right on this bad boy. Ooh, boy, that sure does. All right. Ow.
Okay.
Whoa. Throw a little bit more butter right in here. Some of these up just a little bit better.
It already smells amazing.
Right? Now, just kind of a little hint, if you want to kind of get a little head start on this, we put the potatoes in the air fryer for probably a good 30 minutes. Kind of got them started and going a little bit. But just the potatoes, not the onions, of course. All right. This. Set that right on there. Get them going. All right. So while this is still cooking, we want to take a good hefty portion of salt and pepper. Add it on there.
There's the pepper.
Go in there. And then about another 5-10 minutes, we'll start tossing that around just a little bit. Add a little bit more salt. So Becky made a good point. we already cooked the potatoes in the air fryer, so we don't have to steam them up to cook them. So I just took the dome off, and we're just trying to caramelize the onions and get the potatoes a little crispy. These are like, look at that. That's like a perfect potato right there. And then so I just spread them out, and the way the grill is set up, or the griddle is set up, is you got two burners, one side like right down the middle. So like I said, I got this one turned way down just to keep it hot, and I'll put the burgers on there shortly. But this entire side we can just spread out nice, and just kind of keep tossing them a little bit here and there. All right, so be right back with the burger side of it. All right, so we're just putting some butter on this side of the grill, and just for our buns, Becky made 7 burgers.
Yes, look at those potatoes.
Apparently she was expecting an army to come on over.
Maybe I'll invite Brandon and Alan back.
Can. All right, we're just gonna put some buns on here.
Do you have any like
You gonna finish your thought?
I'm thinking, do we have any fold out tables, little?
I don't think so. You got that one that, well, no, not available.
Like TV trays.
All right, so just let these toast for a little bit, and then we'll throw the burgers on.
Okay.
And we don't need to put more butter down for the burgers because the butter's in the burgers.
Which are on that chair right there.
So here's just a little tip for you guys when you're using the griddle. If you're making hamburger patties, you freeze some butter and then chop it into just some small chunks and add it into your meat, and it will come out so tender and juicy. Yeah, a lot of butter, I know, but you can never have too much butter.
Butter is not a carb.
That's right.
Butter is definitely a carb.
Put these down.
Goodness, there are some dogs in this area. It's like the
There is
midnight
some dogs
call.
in this area.
What are they doing? 101 Dalmatians? The midnight.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Get that smasher out.
Get that smasher out.
I knew he was going to hear it sooner or later.
There goes Kevin. All right. A little smash burger going. Got a rogue piece of butter there.
There we go.
All right.
Look at those.
Those bad boys.
Okay, we'll check back in when they're all done. There's the burger.
I'm helping.
All right, it's time to flip the burgers.
You put them under the
Look
dome.
at those. Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
Those are like perfection.
They really are.
Those look so good. And they smell so good. All right, so here's our burgers. Look at that no stick. Look at that. Oh man. Some of these are kind of messed up shapes, but that's all right.
You know what? No burger is
All
perfect.
gonna taste the same, right?
Yup. If the burger's perfectly round, it's not made with love.
That's right. Gosh darn it. All right, let's put a little bit of
Trying to get some good
salt, a little seasoning on there.
salt, a little pepper.
Pepper on each of these. Yeah. And then, get these kind of close together. Put the lid back on. And we'll come back in about, maybe about 3-4 minutes, and we'll put the cheese on.
Look at these potatoes one more time. Oh, you can hear it bubbling.
All right, and before we did this, we toasted the buns. Look at that. Yummy. And so the buns are all ready to go. All right, so we're going to add some cheese. I bought white American cheese. We don't need no artificial colors in our house. Like I'm trying to get healthy or something.
Yeah, that's the
right.
amount of butter we use. So I
Yeah.
don't think
Butter is not a carb.
it's not a carb, but it's not healthy.
Better than margarine.
True.
All right. And there is our cheese. Put this back on for about a minute. We'll come right back. Okay. Oh man!
Look at those.
Look at those puppies right there. All right. We'll just put the burgers on our plate. These are ready to rock and roll. Becky's going in to get another plate for the potato. Oh, no, wait, I got a bowl for the potatoes, don't I?
Yes, you do. I will hand them to you momentarily.
All right. Look at all this yummy, cheesy goodness. Man, that is, see that? That's shaped like a heart because I love my burgers.
Yes, yes, yes.
So awesome. I was thanking you, Becky, for a Father's Day gift here. Early Father's Day gift. It is Memorial Day, but I have been wanting to grill out for probably the past 2 years, and I haven't had a grill. Our grill broke a couple years ago, and we've been kind of looking for a good one. And I think this one's the answer.
Thanks to that app that you don't like.
Yeah. Thanks to TikTok. That's why we got this thing. So, all right.
We just need to get table.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a prep station for this thing too. So, all right, there it is, all on the plate.
Wait.
And I like to put ketchup on my potatoes, but yeah, there is the burger. And Becky, you said something quite interesting.
The Moonshine no longer has the best burger
did,
in the state of Illinois.
did Maddie make the best burger in Illinois?
Well, I think it was a joint effort. I seasoned
This
the
is
beef.
true. You did. What do you think, Em?
That's delicious.
Good. Awesome. All right.
Emerson doesn't get too many meals.
Home cooked meal.
Home cooked meals. As always, if you like what you see, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe, keep it sexy. If you want to correspond with us anyway, I will put our P.O. Box number down below. I'll even put Blackstone's web address on there so you can take a look at all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone.